Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna be cleaning up this yard. So I'm about to show you everything that's in this yard. It's completely trashed. All right, so first we got some siding over there, a couple tires, wheelchair over there. Looks like the guy was burning mattresses or something. So got a bunch of old mattresses. Over here we got some more siding. Got a moped. Probably just scrap that because that thing looks old and beat up. Over here we got stuff all on this deck. We're not going to take this deck. He's actually got a burn pile right here, so we're not going to take anything in this burn pile, which is kind of nice. And we're just going to get all the trash from in here. Over there, a wheelbarrow that looks like it's in halfway decent shape. We might keep that. Then you just got this dog house, a lawnmower in there, some more sporadic trash over here, more of the siding, and up there's an appliance and a few other things. Over here looks like more metal that they burnt, and then we got a top to a truck over there. All right, now we're walking around the front, and same thing over here. There's just sporadic trash everywhere. We're not actually going to take any of these broken limbs, but there's trash in here, trash right there, dishwasher. Back here there's shingles and whatnot, and there's some little trash throughout here. And over here we got more of this siding, a little broken down shed, and just stuff throughout here. And here's another broken down shed and some other stuff through here. And then we just got sporadic stuff everywhere and a wash machine over there and more stuff over here. So yeah guys, we're gonna just get right into it, start cleaning up this property. Weed block on a budget. I said weed block on a budget. Just lay your carpet out in your yard. Eventually it'll just disintegrate into the dirt. Hey guys, we just finished up that job, so I'm gonna go over the whole property and show you guys everything we picked up. So back here, there was some blue carpet. There was a few things on the side. We got to come back for that metal. Over there was a nasty outdoor shed that was just disgusting. It smelled terrible. There was another one right here. We picked up some shingles and stuff all through here. Picked up some trash all around this mobile home. We got some more metal there we got to take. And here's another metal pile. But back here, there was a bunch of trash in there as well. And now I'll go back over to the first area we were working at. Here's some more metal. Fridge over there, we got to come back for another little metal pile. There was some trash all in here. And he's gonna burn this deck, so we just kind of cleaned it off, cleaned all behind it. Here's their burn pile. We're not gonna mess with that. Got all that trash out of here. That's all metal back there. We're gonna come back for that, and cleaned up everything that was over there. So yeah, guys, this one was interesting. Like I said, somebody just neglected it. It took us about 2 hours to get all the trash out of here. We got to go run to the dump and come back for that metal. But yeah, so thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.